that smile on that face this morning. What a beautiful day it is. Welcome to Dream Aloud. We are the Hosmans, and we currently live in Bozeman, Montana, which is where this adventure begins. We own and operate Flylife Paragliding, a paragliding flight school located in Bozeman, teaching our students how to fly. A paraglider is an ultralight aircraft that is collapsible and easily stores in a backpack. The pilot sits in a harness suspended by lines attached to the canopy. As we fly, we search for warm air updrafts called thermals that we use to gain altitude. By linking thermals together, we are able to stay up for hours, even cross over mountain ranges, and travel distance. We recently decided to follow our dream of buying an old sailboat, fix it up, and sail the Florida coast and out to the Caribbean. So we are heading south, working construction along the way, help fund our adventure and try our hand at sailing. Wish us luck, and thank you for your support. Well clear of this inlet here.
All the shallow.
And then so once we get out here, we're probably a mile off the coast at that point, something like that, and then we're going to put it on a 25-degree heading. Right as soon as we clear these last buoys, we'll go out a little bit more to the 25-degree heading. Boom, right here. Once we get out to this point, where we can see these buoys here, we'll know we need to make an adjustment, and we'll see the coastline changing. So we're just waking up to our first Anchorage. First time we slept on our boat. We are here at No Name Harbor, right on the tip of Key Biscayne, on the southern tip. So today we are, for the first time, taking our sailboat out into the ocean. We're excited. We're going up the coast. We'll probably stay in Fort Lauderdale tonight. If things are looking good, we got a good south wind that'll be pushing us. We will also be in the Gulf Stream, pushing us north. So we're actually headed north just to do a few repairs on the boat. So yeah, there we go. Look at that smile on that face this morning. What a beautiful day it is. So, sun's right in our eyes. And there's Happy Sonia. Woohoo!
All right. We are putting up the sails.
The sails are up.
Sails are up.
The first one needs a little adjusting. I think that it's getting a little distance from the main here where they just put up. All right. Still motoring, but we're about to cut that motor off.
We're not. It's actually in neutral.
Oh, okay.
We're not.
Alright.
What Paul said, the one down here was the repair. So we took care of that and everything. We thought we would do it just depends if that one had yeah, so we'll see. We'll probably stay about here and trying to enjoy. It's a little stressful. We're not all stations,
I think I know how to fix these cells. Probably the sail hitting it too. We're selling this sucker, huh? We're proud of it. Checking in front of us, right? I can't believe it. Look, we got the autopilot on. No engine. Proud of it, honey. I'm real proud of it. Oh man, it wasn't easy. It was supposed to be easy. Oh man, you're happy too. Yeah, awesome.
I've done it successfully.
Oh, unreal. I should let that line out just a wee bit, but it's good enough. Good enough. But we were hitting 6, 8, 7 knots. Not bad for a couple of rookies, huh? Bicycle. Yeah. Woo. Here soon though we need to turn north. Yeah, more north. Remember we were on that different heading to miss the cutoff area.
I had bumped this back north.
Oh, you did? Okay. Because we were already missed the dump area. Miss Sonia down there up on the deck. I'm not going to film you. I'm going to film our beautiful anchor. So we had to buy this anchor for our first Anchorage. First night we slept on the boat. They had another anchor, but it wasn't. No, it's already got a little wear and tear on it, doesn't it? We christened it. So we're currently, what, a little over 3 miles out. Got the sails up, pretty much downwind, so we're, I think we got a southeast wind coming in, so definitely pushing us along, hitting right around 6, 8, 7 knots. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Woo! The water's so blue. So there's Fort Lauderdale, I believe it is, right? Yes. We are passing Fort Lauderdale Port. Port Everglades, right? Yes. There's Miami. I think we've gone about 50 miles today already. We've been cruising. So total trip will be right around 75 miles. We'll probably have to sail a little in the dark, but if the wind keeps it up like this, we got the autopilot on. Tiller down there. Woo!